If your current bed frame feels either too basic or more bulky than it needs to be, finding something in between can be a challenge. A lot of frames lean heavily in one direction or the other without offering a simpler, more balanced option. In this video, we're looking at the Silk & Snow platform bed frame, including both the standard platform version and the version with the cushioned headboard. We'll break down the construction, design, and what it's like to use day to day so you can figure out which option makes more sense for your setup. If you want more details on pricing, available sizes, or color options in Canada, you can find everything linked in the description. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame is designed as a simple, modern base that focuses on clean lines and straightforward setup. There are two main versions, a standard platform bed with no headboard, and a version that adds a cushioned headboard for a softer, more finished look. Both use the same core structure, so the difference comes down to whether you want that added comfort and visual presence at the head of the bed. And this type of frame works best if you're looking for something minimal and functional without moving into more complex designs like storage beds or fully upholstered frames. Next, we'll look at how it's built, starting with the construction and materials. Construction and materials. Both versions of this frame follow the same core design, with the main difference being the addition of the upholstered headboard on one model. The base uses a platform style setup with a slatted support system, so there's no need for a box spring. The slats are spaced to support the mattress evenly while still allowing for airflow underneath. The frame itself uses a reinforced structure designed to keep everything aligned and stable across the full surface. On the version with the cushioned headboard, that headboard is padded and upholstered, adding a softer surface at the top without changing the underlying structure. The construction stays simple and functional, built around consistent support with the option to add a more finished look through the headboard. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame receives a construction and material score of 8.5 out of 10. Design and aesthetic. The design leans towards a clean, minimal look that stays fairly neutral in most spaces. The standard platform version keeps things simple. It sits low to the ground with a straightforward profile, so it doesn't draw much attention and works easily across different bedroom styles. The version with the cushioned headboard adds a bit more presence. The upholstery softens the overall look and gives the bed a more complete, finished feel, especially in setups where the bed acts as a focal point. Both versions maintain a streamlined profile so they don't feel bulky even in smaller rooms. The choice comes down to how much visual impact you want. The base version stays minimal, while the headboard version adds a bit more structure and softness without changing the core design. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame receives a design and aesthetic score of 8.5 out of 10. Stability and build quality. The frame is designed to feel consistent and stable once everything is assembled. The platform structure combined with the center support system helps distribute weight evenly across the surface. That's especially important on larger sizes where it helps reduce flex through the middle over time. Because there aren't many moving parts or complex components, it feels sturdy. Once it's set up and properly tightened, it should stay in place without much shifting during normal use. In terms of noise, the simpler construction works in its favor. With fewer connection points that can loosen, it's less likely to develop creaking or squeaking with regular use. It's not built as a heavy-duty frame, but it delivers a stable, everyday feel without requiring much ongoing adjustment. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame receives a stability and build quality score of 9 out of 10. Ease of assembly. When it comes to assembly, this is designed to be fairly straightforward compared to more complex bed frames. You're mainly connecting the main frame components and placing the slats, so there aren't a lot of complicated steps or mechanisms to deal with. The process is more about lining everything up properly than managing a large number of small parts. Because of the size of the pieces, it's generally easier with two people, especially when positioning the frame and keeping everything aligned during setup. In terms of time, most setups will fall somewhere in the 30 to 60 minute range, depending on your pace. Once it's assembled, there's very little need for adjustments, so it's more of a one-time setup rather than something you'll need to revisit regularly. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame earns an ease of assembly score of 8 out of 10. Practical features. This frame keeps things fairly minimal, with the main difference coming down to the headboard option. The standard platform version is straightforward. It provides a stable base for your mattress without adding extra functionality like a built-in storage or additional features. The version with the cushioned headboard adds a bit more usability, especially if you tend to sit up in bed. The padded surface makes it more comfortable for reading or watching something compared to leaning against the wall or a harder frame. Both versions also benefit from the platform design itself, which removes the need for a box spring and helps keep the overall setup lower and more streamlined. It's not a feature-heavy frame, but the headboard version adds a layer of comfort that can make a noticeable difference depending on how you use your bed. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame receives a practical feature score of 8 out of 10. Pricing for this frame sits in the mid-range, with the difference coming down to whether you choose the headboard version. The standard platform option is the more budget-friendly choice, focusing on the base structure without added elements. It works as a simple, clean foundation for your mattress without pushing into higher price tiers. The version with the cushioned headboard comes in at a higher price point, reflecting the added materials and more finished look. You're paying for that extra comfort and visual presence rather than a change in the underlying build. For reference, a queen size for the standard platform version typically comes in around $450, while the headboard version is usually priced closer to $650 depending on current offers. Compared to more basic metal or wood frames, both versions sit a bit higher due to the overall build quality and design, but still stay within a mid-range category. In Canada, pricing will vary by size and any active promotions, so it's worth checking listings for the exact configuration you're considering. The difference between the two is fairly straightforward, so the choice usually comes down to simplicity versus added comfort. Policies. In Canada, this bed frame ships a flat pack and requires full assembly at home, which is standard for this type of furniture. Silk & Snow offers a 30-day return window, but the frame needs to be kept in its original packaging and in donatable condition. You're also responsible for the cost of return shipping, so it's worth keeping all packaging until you're sure you're keeping it. The frame is backed by a 5-year warranty, which provides a longer-term coverage for materials and workmanship. If you want to review the full policy details or check any updates, you can find that information in the description. The Silk & Snow platform bed frame is a good fit if you're looking for a clean, straightforward base without added complexity. Both versions offer the same core structure and support, so the choice comes down to how you use your bed. If you want to explore current pricing, available sizes, or promotions in Canada, you can find those details in the description. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. We'll see you in the next one.